We have seen simple ways of creating a search strategy in the interface of PubMed. There are, however, more robust methods to create a search strategy using Microsoft Word. One of the options that we will show you is how to manually add the code to your term list in Word. This is especially helpful for shorter term lists. If your list of terms is not too long, you can choose to manually add field codes, Boolean operators, and parentheses into your Word document. If this is our list of terms, we need to add TIAB after each term that is not a mesh term. All search terms within one element should be combined with the Boolean operator OR. We remove the line breaks and we place an OR between all search terms within one element. We then add the Boolean operator AND between two elements and put parentheses around each element, thereby removing the line breaks. This way we have constructed a search strategy that we can copy and paste in PubMed. To summarize, what we have done is we have put TIAB after each non-mesh term. We have removed the line breaks and placed ORs in between the synonyms of each element. We placed parentheses around elements and then finally combined these elements with AND. If your list is longer, this is rather time-consuming. Another option that we want to teach you is how to semi-automatically put the Boolean operators and field codes in Word using the find and replace function in Microsoft Word. This is especially helpful for longer term lists. Let's take a longer list of search terms as an example. This list of search terms consists of 3 elements with many different search terms. Semi-automatically, field codes can be added. Select the terms from the first element and press Ctrl-H on your keyboard. This opens the screen Find and Replace. You can replace an asterisk with asterisk TIAB, as anything that is truncated is not a mesh term. Mesh terms are not truncated. Click Replace All and do not search the remainder of the document. You do this one element at a time to keep control. Now, each term should not be on a separate line, but should be connected with OR. With Find and Replace, you can replace a caret P. A caret you will find as Shift-6 on your keyboard. The caret P, replace that with space or space. Instead of having everything on a separate line, each of these terms is now combined with OR. You click Replace All, and again, do not search the remainder of the document. Each element should be enclosed in parentheses. A parenthesis opening at the beginning and a closing parenthesis at the end. You do the same steps with the second element. You replace $p with space or space and hit replace all, and do not search the remainder of the document. And you replace an asterisk with asterisk TIAB. Replace all and do not search the rest of the document. Also, this element should be between parentheses. And we have a look at the third element. Ctrl H. We replace the asterisk with asterisk TIAB. We click replace all. Do not search the remainder of the document. And we replace $p with space or space and replace all. Also for this element, we put parentheses at the beginning and a closing parenthesis at the end. We manually put an and in between the elements and remove the line breaks between the elements. In this way, we have created a long search strategy that we can copy and paste in PubMed. To summarize, what we have done in the Word document is we have selected the terms for each element one at a time. Using Ctrl H, we found and replaced the $p, the line break, with space or space to have each term on a single line. We replaced an asterisk with asterisk TIAB. If there were any non-mesh terms that were not truncated, you should manually add TIAB after these terms. We added parentheses around the elements and added an and to complete the search strategy.